Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the heater assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, a Torx 28 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle-nose pliers, and a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new heater assembly, a hose clamp, and the instructions. The heater assembly consists of the heater, the flow switch, the aqua switch, and the temperature sensor. This unit is not only heating up the water, but it also controls the temperature, the quality, and the flow of water. If the water doesn't get hot and your dishes come out dirty, it's a time to check the water heater assembly and replace it if needed. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the base panel out. Remove the base panel. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. Take the two Torx 20 screws out. Free the plastic bracket and remove the inner access panel. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Open the dishwasher door and using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 screws that mount the dishwasher to the counter. Pull out the dishwasher from under the counter. Remove the Torx 20 screw and pull out the side cover on each side of the dishwasher. Remove the hinge links covers, one on each side. Don't lose them, we are going to need them again. Using the pliers, remove the white plastic door cable hooks from the door hinges. Take out the 2 Torx 20 screws in front and 2 in the back that holds the base to the cabinet. Now we'll get inside the dishwasher. Open the door and pull out the lower dish rack. Remove the lower spray arm by pulling it straight up. Unscrew and remove the filter basket, turning it counterclockwise. Remove the fine filter. Take out the 2 Torx 20 screws that hold the spray arm support to the sump housing. Next, take out 2 Torx 20 screws and remove both sump supports. Close the door and place the dishwasher on its back. Be careful, it's a bit heavy. Make sure you're not putting it on any hoses. Prepare to catch some water. Remove the water inlet to sump hose from the retainer and then pull it out of the sump. Rotate the hose out of the way. Pull the base of the dishwasher cabinet. Remove the drain pump. Press down the locking tab and turn the pump clockwise. Be prepared to catch some water. Release the tabs at the bottom of the circulation pump and free it and the sump from the base. Pull out the drain outlet hose from the sump. Remove the sump and the circulation pump assembly and place it on the dishwasher. If the gasket is not clean, remove it from the sump and wash it. Also, wash the seat in the sump and on the bottom of the dishwasher. Install the clean seal into the sump. Pull the plug of the turbidity sensor and free the wires from the retainer. Remove the two Torx 20 screws that hold the heater assembly. Turn the assembly over and using the large pliers, remove the clamp that secures the heater and circulation pump together. It may require some brutal force. I'm kidding. Press the side tab and detach the old heater assembly from the sump. Remove the cover from the temperature sensor. Disconnect the wire plugs from the temperature sensor. Bring in a new heater assembly. You can get one from appliancepartspros.com. And now we can start attaching the wires from the old heater to the new heater assembly one by one. Using the needle nose pliers, remove the wires from the old heater assembly. Turn the assembly over. Place the clamp supplied with the new heater on the sleeve. Apply some soap on the rubber seals and then attach the new heater assembly to the sump. Make sure the side clip locks in. Install the two Torx 20 screws. Using the flat blade screwdriver, tighten the hose clamp. Install the plug on the turbidity sensor and place the wires into the retainer. Turn over the sump and the heater assembly. Now we can connect the wires to the temperature sensor. Don't worry about mixing them up, they can only go in one way. Place the wires into the retainer. Install the safety cover. Push it down to lock. Place the sump and the circulation pump assembly in. Install the assembly on the dishwasher base and lock the mounting straps on. Connect the sump outlet hose. Push it in all the way. Align the locking tabs and install the drain pump. Turn it counterclockwise to lock in. Push the base in, watch for the sump and all of the 4 supports. Make sure that the rubber base is under the sump. Insert the water inlet to sump hose and push it in as far as it will go. Slowly lift the dishwasher upright. Secure the base to the dishwasher cabinet with the 2 Torx 20 screws in front and 2 at the back. Open the door and install 2 sump supporters and secure them with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install both Torx 20 spray arm support screws. Then goes the fine filter. Screw in the filter basket, turning it clockwise. Reinstall the lower spray arm by pushing it in until it locks. Make sure it turns free. Slide in the lower dish rack. Using the needle nose pliers, reconnect both door link hooks onto the hinges. Install the link covers. Install the side cover and secure it with a 1 Torx 20 screw. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Reinstall the dishwasher under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve, then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 inch nut driver. Install the inner access panel and the plastic bracket, and then secure it with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install the outer door panel, slide it up and push it in at the bottom. Secure it with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Install the base panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Secure the dishwasher to the countertop with 2 Phillips screws. Close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.